Hello, Namaste, Adab, Sat Shri Akal, good morning to you. This is Yogesh Joshi, Indian from Indian Paper 24/7. Today I will show you the cheapest lunch box carrier bag in India. Cost only $1. Yes, $1. The cheapest common bag in India, and is made by resin. Is a simple two pouch bag. One is front pouch is 6 by 8 and main is 8 by 10 and is made by simple resin. Very common bag. We people use this bag as a tiffin box carrier. Let me show you how we use it. Front pouch, we put small tiffin pouch for a breakfast, see, and we use a small container over here. This perfectly fit in front pouch, and in main pouch it's a very common zip, not YKK or something. Here is a second lunch box. This is breakfast, this is lunch. This is 2-layer box, see, and this is, so is a 2-layer. So vegetable and roti or bread. And last but not least, water bottle. Is a 16-inch water bottle with mug. 1 minute. See, it's a plain simple stainless steel bottle with stainless steel cup, and this is it. And the cost of this bag is only $1. I spent 50 rupees for this bag, and is a sling bag. Is a sling bag. See, so we can use this bag as a for a 10C. I just make a neck setup in this bag for a 10C basic survival bag. Yes, you can use this bag as a EDC bag, and my day-to-day's all gear is perfectly fit in this box. There is only 2 compartments as already I mentioned. So let's start from outside. This is a front pouch. Is very common, simple. Here I put my hand sanitizer, my cheap sunglass, coin and measurement tape, and small EDC pouch. I make another video on this, and this is all fit in front compartment. In one compartment I put a cap, then my EDC organizer, all EDC, that is cottage 10C, folding, fixed blade, cottage, then hand gloves, all 10Cs in this pouch. And then my water stainless steel 16-ounce water bottle with hygiene cup. See, is very perfectly fit in this, and that's all. And tarp in this. So that's it. That is it. This is a small EDC bag, Indian tiffin bag. Cost only $1. Yes sir, $1. Thanks for watching. Bye.